Welcome to Study Loop.
Okay, this is question 2830. We have two long parallel wires that are separated by a distance of 2.5 centimeters. I've written that over here and converted the distance to meters. And the force per unit length that each wire exerts on the other is 4 times 10 to the 5 newtons. So that's going to be F over L. We're given that here. And we're told the current in one of the wires, but we're asked to find the current in the second wire. So here's the expression for the force per length from two different wires with different currents, I1 and I2. So we have I1 here, we have F per L, we also have R. So all we have to do here is rearrange this equation so we can solve it for I2, and that will give us the magnitude of I2 since we have everything else we can plug in here. So when we rearrange this, we're going to need to multiply a factor of 2 pi r over here times F on the left, and then we're going to get our L down here, and then we'll also have our factor of mu naught times I1. This is going to be our expression for I2. So this is what we get when we rearrange and solve this. So now all we have to do is plug in all of these values. Since we have R is 0.025, F per L. If we want, we can kind of pull this factor out front if we want to make sure that we're plugging in the right thing. So we have that F per L is sitting out right here. So F per L times, that's 4 times 10 to the minus 5 times pi times 0.025, and then we're dividing that by mu naught times I1, which we're told here. So when we plug that all in, we should get I2 is equal to 8.33 amps. So this is our answer to part A. Now, part B asks us whether the currents are in the same direction or the opposite direction. So we're told in the original statement that the wires repel each other. And this is just a property that the force between two wires, if the currents are going in opposite directions, then they will repel each other. And if the currents are going in the same direction, they will attract. So since we're told that the currents are repelling each other, the force is a repulsive force, that means that these currents must be going in opposite directions.